Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust scene layout. To start, select a scene that you want to edit. For example, this one. Then your position elements to change the layout. So for example, you want to adjust the text. You want it to be higher. So just click on it and point the cursor to this box right here and pull it upward. And that's it. For example, this one, if you want it lower, you can just do that. If you want it to be animated, just click on this one, animation, and from here you have lots of options. If you want it to pop up, just click on this one, shake, twist, etc. You can also change the duration, direction, and if you want to animate the whole paragraph, word, or just character. You can also adjust the scale and a lot more. You can also shrink text to fit the shape, or you can also format the option. So you can change the size and rotation. You can change the position, the text fitting, the shuttle, and alt text. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.